So in this video, you'll learn how to search the Samsung Gallery app using natural language on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Ultra. So the first step is to launch the Gallery app, and then from here, you want to use the search function. The next step is that you want to come to the bottom and you should see this option labeled "What are you looking for?" So you can search in two ways. You can choose to use your voice command, or you can just choose to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Then from here, you can go ahead and perform a search. So as you can see, I've already done a search for water. So if I select it, I can see any images that are currently in my Gallery app related to the word water. So I can go and search for another thing. So say, for example, flower. Then I search for it. I can see any images that have any flowers that have been detected by my Gallery app listed right here. Bear in mind that this doesn't use any of the tags. What the Gallery app is doing is just going through all the images and it's looking for the ones that seem similar to the word that you've just typed in. And so now you no longer need to use any tags to search for images in your Gallery app. You can just come here, type in at least a word or a phrase that describes the image, and it should appear in the list of search results. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.